In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on YouTube. Changing your YouTube language is a simple way to make the platform easier and more comfortable to use, especially if English isn't your preferred language or you're learning a new one. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, explain what each option means, and give you a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're on the main YouTube homepage or any YouTube page where you can see the usual layout, with the search bar at the top and videos listed below. You don't have to be on any special settings page for this to work. Once you're on YouTube, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on whether you've uploaded a picture to your Google account. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where YouTube keeps many of your account-related options, like switching accounts, going to YouTube Studio, or signing out. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Display Language, or just Language, depending on your region and interface. This setting controls the language of the YouTube interface itself, like menus, buttons, and labels. It does not automatically translate video titles or subtitles, but it changes the language you see when you navigate the site. Go ahead and click on Display Language. When you click it, a list of available languages will appear. This list can be quite long, with many regional variations, so scroll slowly and take your time. Languages are usually listed in their own writing system, which is helpful if you're changing from a language you don't understand back to one you do. Find the language you want to use for YouTube. For example, you might choose Spanish, French, Hindi, or any other language that feels most comfortable to you. Once you see your preferred language in the list, simply click on it. YouTube will automatically refresh the page or update in place, and you'll notice that menus, labels, and other interface text are now displayed in the language you selected. If something doesn't look right or you picked the wrong one by mistake, you can repeat the same steps and choose a different language at any time. And that's all you need to do to change the language on YouTube.